Hey guys, Ron from Meta Tactical. I'm here today to show you our new MX1 pistol conversion kit. What's unique with this kit is I can put 70 different pistols, that's right, 70 different pistols in this chassis. All the way from your baby Glock 43 to your Glock 2010mm, Gen 3, 4, and 5, all in the same kit. Let me show you how it works. You have the stabilizer brace that actually locks open. And what's nice with this, there's no push button. You just lift that pin up and it's gonna fold that brace just like that and it will lock out. Now to put your pistol in, super easy. You just open up this pin all the way to the side, your gun door all the way to the back. And you can see there's nothing, I'm not wrestling any charging handle in there. I'm gonna just put my pistol right in there. Glock 23 unloaded. So when I put my pistol in, you almost wanna angle it down a little bit. And it's gonna catch onto your accessory rail on your pistol. So you see as I put it in there, I just angle it down a little bit and it locks in, you're good to go. Just shut that gun door, shut that pin, and you're all set. Now to take this pistol out, you're gonna reverse those steps. Open that pin all the way to the side, open that door all the way, and you have a button right here on your right side of the kit. I press that button, it's gonna release my pistol. Super easy to take it in and out. So the biggest question is, why do I need a pistol conversion kit? With that, you have those 4 points of contact, just like a rifle. So I'm having the stability of a rifle, but with my pistol. Easy to hit targets all day long at 100 yards. You're not having that muzzle flip from your pistol, and you actually have zero recoil with this. So it's giving that stable platform just like a rifle. You can buy these out from us directly online or visit your local dealer.